Okay, guys, watch me cook.
I love knocking out teeth. You're mine. I gotta buy me and the folks some pizza after this. I feel no pain. Can you say the same?
I hate chicken. Yeah. You little loser. It makes sense how Mafia said 800 health. But Cool Kid? Nah, he's a little
You're mine.
5-year-old and he has 800 health.
I love knocking out teeth. Your humanoid property has no chance against mine. I feel no pain. Can you say the same? I love knocking out teeth. Here we go, folks. You're mine. I love knocking out teeth. You're mine. Maybe it's time to rage quit, eh?
I don't care about you yapping about hitboxes, even though you didn't say that.
I love knocking out teeth. You're mine.
He thinks he can get away, huh?
You're mine.
How do you? Not.
I love knocking out teeth. I gotta buy me and the folks some pizza after this. You're mine. I love knocking out teeth. Maybe it's time to rage quit, eh?
Guess who's next? No, it's cannibalism.
You're mine. You won't live to see the next day. You're mine. Here we go, folks.
Guys, watch me cook. Even though I said that.
You won't live to see the next day.
I'm booty at the game. But I can cook as Cool Kid. I promise you that. See, where are these little goobers at? We got Chicken Chedletsky. Wherever 2 times. Let's go behind the house, see if they're there. Oh my god, they have to block off everything in this map. Dang. Like they literally. That just me, but do I hear chicken steps? Yes, it's who I thought it was.
Here we go, folks.
Guys, I might not win this. Okay, there's chicken.
I love knocking out teeth. Just shut up and rage quit.
I'm coming for you.
You're mine. I love knocking out teeth. soldiers, and soldiers don't go to hell. You won't live to see the next day.
Just here waste my time.
You're mine.
He's gonna get his second life too. He's like, he said, whoever. He's gonna get his second life. Got his one.
You're mine. You won't live to see the next day. Maybe it's time to rage quit, eh?
Yo! 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 No! 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 I was literally. I want to end it, guys. Don't worry about that. Ignore that. 15 minutes.
Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it. I can't stop winning.
I clutched up at the last second.
I can't stop
I
winning.
thought he was gonna get his second life. It was like that one video where a cool kid uses override walk speed. The dude just like easy GG, and he uses override walk speed, and he hit the dude and killed him at the last second. I clutched up. I clutched.
I can't
So-
stop winning.
It spent me all morning to get this skin. Big hole. I usually just like to mess around with the killer. Guys, leave a comment down in the comment section saying when you guys tell me if the doing generators make it so there's less time for the killer to kill people. I'm not really new to this game, I'm just asking. Okay. I'm not gonna upload it. I don't have a YouTube channel. No, I do have a YouTube channel. Oh. Yes, yes, shit. I hate how the phone gets set for 2 seconds though. It's kinda annoying.
I can't stop winning.
It wasn't me. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Bye. Or like if I didn't.